So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Pfister valve. This is, I think, straight out of Amazon. It's something we recommended to the homeowner, so they purchased it, had it delivered, we installed it. The old valve came out, all brand new nut here. So typically, if the valve is compatible, we leave the lower portion in place. In this case, it was not. And so new nut on the bottom with the union, then of course the valve in place. The original riser is screwed back in. We did open these holes up a little bit just so you can get your trim in there. The last one we had to pry and chisel just to get it out of. So this one we tried both sides. The trim goes on real nice, handles fit, and of course we did turn the water on to the shower to make sure it's functioning correctly, and it does. So trim's real easy, just they've already done it, so trim goes on. And that there, we just want to use Teflon tape on one side. When you put this in the wall, no piped out, just Teflon tape, screw it in by hand, get it kind of snug. We like to actually use channel locks. We'll show you how we do that in just a minute, not outside of the video, but so that's done. We took a look in here, and we do want to monitor this. As long as you can leave this open, please do, but you have some joints in here. That's iron pipe, so piped up Teflon tape, monitor that for any water, and then also this is a union, monitor that for water, and then of course right here, iron pipe to the shower riser, and a brass plug. So leave it open for a few days and just take a look. Any water, give us a holler, we'll come out and take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.